Okay, guys, so I heard that you had some problems for some reason with this question. So before you start coming into class tomorrow, arguing with me and not always in the most polite ways, I'm going to address it right now. So, sorry this question seemed confusing. It came straight from Sawboss. I will try to put more explanation in there, but I thought it was pretty straightforward, so I apologize. It literally tells you that a model of a cell is shown right here. Here's your model. And you just kind of, if you looked at this, you're like, okay, what am I supposed to be doing? Well, I know that there are lots of bubbles, and I guess the bubble amount of bubbles confused you guys, but it kind of was similar to like if this were a chart and you were to look at the left and at the top, and then you had to come together and figure out what the answer is. So all you were supposed to do was look over here, figure out what kind of a cell it was, and then what is the identifying characteristic for that cell. That's it. One bubble, one box. One bubble was chosen. That was it. Every single test I've looked at so far has a bubble chosen in every single option. That doesn't make any sense whatsoever because this cannot possibly be an animal, a plant, a prokaryotic, and then just a generic eukaryotic cell. That makes no sense whatsoever. This is one type of cell, and that's it. So you figure out what type of cell that is. How do you know it's that cell? Because it has this defining characteristic, and you choose it. So you'd be like, oh, well, I think it's an animal because it has DNA. And then you choose that bubble, and that's it. And that's all you had to do. Super easy. Okay. That's it. So I'm posting this video today for explanation. When you get to class tomorrow, I'm going to reopen so that you can change this answer if you feel like you need to. But again, guys, really simple, really basic. This is one kind of a model. For those of you that the too many bubbles threw you off, like, I don't know how else to have done this question without it, like, I don't know. Like, I needed you to know, like, so that you have the opportunity to choose whatever cell you wanted with whatever characteristic you wanted. Multiple choice, that's what this one is. It's a multiple choice answer. So, like, this way it doesn't let you, sorry, um, it doesn't let you choose more than one in that option. Like you couldn't say no nucleus and no DNA. It limited it. Um, but there isn't a way to limit to where it was only one option chosen, so you could choose more than one. But that's all this, guys. That's all this was. Super, super simple, very basic question. What is this a model of? What a model of a cell is shown. What is the cell and how do you know that's what that is? That's it. Super, super easy.